it's very empty. And we're redoing everything. And there comes my dog. And here's like just where the sliding doors were. And today I'm not really supposed to make any slime, but I'm going to because yesterday was my last day, but I never made slime yesterday. So I'm just gonna make my last slime until October. Or December. So I'm gonna see you guys back in December or October and the first day of school video. So let's get started. So first I'm gonna get my gallon of glue out and pour it into here. I'm gonna make it like a kind of big batch. And I want this to be sticky because I'm putting pink foam balls in it, so. After that, I'm gonna put the cap on. After that, I'm gonna put some lotion in it. It's a big batch, I need a lot of lotion. Now I need to find a mixing utensil because I don't have any. Yeah, here. Yeah, okay. Okay, now I'm gonna mix this. Okay, so now the activator. I feel like I want to tear up, but I don't want to tear up. Add lots of activator. Okay, so I have fully made the slime. I'm just mixing it with my hands. It smells so good because of the hand lotion. Now I'm gonna add the foam beads. I think that's enough. If it's not, it's okay. Probably not that more, but I'm going to add some shaving solution. I'm gonna lift it up to play with it in my hand in a second. Feels so weird. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna put more foam beads in it because there's not a lot in it. It's gonna add more activator. It's gonna add last slime, so I'm actually now starting to tear up. Just kidding, no, I'm not starting to tear up. It's my last slime though, until October, but not last video. And you're thinking that this account's like a slime account. It's not. We have nothing else to do. I have nothing else to do, so. Okay, I'm gonna add more activator before it gets more beads before it gets too non-sticky. That was a lot of beads. I have to make sure that it's when I stretch it, yeah. So this is not the finished project. This is probably not gonna be my last slime because it's not that good and I'm gonna make my favorite slime for my last slime. But it is very crunchy and it does feel very good. But because it's not done, we do have to add glitter. Because everyone needs glitter just to sparkle up their life. It's white glitter, so you can see it. It's just gonna give it a little bit of shimmer. I'm putting a lot in because you can see it. Whoa, it looks so cool on the camera. Oh, my hair. Oh, my hair. This is like a new outfit, so I'm like, can't get any slime on it. No. Can you get that off? Okay, so just mixing in the glitter. Ah! It's connecting to my hand. No. No. Dogs. So I'm going to put this slime in here just for right now because I'm going to make another slime that is not foam slime. So I'm going to do it in the same video because I don't feel like doing another video and editing another video. So let's go on to the next slime. So the next one is going to be glitter and all the rainbow colors since I have all the rainbow colors. Colors. So this is gonna be like an ASMR one because it's probably gonna look so cool. So I need it to be pretty flat and pretty made. So, thank you very much. Oh, we need to put the cap. I got it. It's fine. Okay. So we need a squirt. Squirt, 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 squirt. Okay, that's enough. That was actually way too much. No, I'm not doing all my beautiful. I'm so mad. Okay, wait. What? Purple? No, purple. There is no orange or no yellow, whatever it is. So it's probably gonna be like a messed up rainbow. Okay, we're gonna add shaven quam. Shaven quam, shaven quam, shaven quam, shaven quam. Oops. I love that sound. Okay. What are you doing? No, don't put it. Don't put it. I can do it. Get down. I wish this was like cake and so easy. Hi. I love you, but we can't play with you right now. So this will be my very last slime, actually. So I have to remember which one's my very last slime. The glittery one or the foam one? Glittery! Glittery one. I'm not gonna add that glitter because it's horrible and it pokes. Okay. We're going to add this, the activator. Oh, na 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 humela 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 humela. Sire, look, Sire, the Stampede's on the run. So this one doesn't have to be sticky, but I don't want it to be sticky, so because it's easier when it's not sticky, so just gonna put that over there. I'm gonna start mixing with my hands, just to start mixing with my hands. Slime. So I'm gonna put it back in here, just gonna activate the top. Oh, I'm gonna get, oops. Missy, can you get that out?
Get what?
That, this. Okay, much better.
What's this?
It's dried out slime. Okay, so my hands are so glittery. You do not know what this feels like. You do not know. Well, actually, you do know. You're watching me mix it. It's like you do not actually know. You do know because you're watching me mix it. Oh my, that doesn't look that cool. Ooh, that one looks cool. So it came out like with this very pretty, all over the world. It's like every single color in the world. It couldn't see it. So pretty. Ew, my flip-flops were in there. Okay, we're gonna activate this a little bit.
That was the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it. It was fun to make slime. By the way, go check out the part 2 of this, because this was part 1. There's gonna be part 2 of me cleaning everything. Right now I'm going to go clean some stuff. So hope you guys like this. Make sure to comment down below #squad. Bye. I love you. Mwah.